Welcome back to ADATA COMPUTEX 2026. Today we're taking you on a tour of the latest high-performance memory solution and complete XPG ecosystem. Starting at the core, we're pushing massive bandwidth. We just dropped the NOVAKEY RGB, winner of the 2026 BC and CES Innovation Awards. Speeds up to 8,000 MT per second. We're also showcasing the NOVAKEY ROG-certified memory, hitting 6,200 MT per second, available up to 64 GB capacities.